May isip mo, oh, oh, oh she, oy she, I'm not that good. I have to learn more.
Pre-trial brief sets the tone on how the defense will structure its answers.
Ang hindi ko maintindihan dito, paano niya nasabing tunog lata? Narinig niya ba? So, walang laman yung sinasabi niyo. Pero, who are you to say that? They are your kalaban.
So kung tunog lata na ang pre-trial brief, what more can we expect during the trial proper? No. Tama nga
I
po
understand naman na this is a political exercise. Pero syempre, observe proper decorum din naman, especially against your fellow lawyers. Diba? Tanungin nyo si Attorney Villamor, wala na kasi si I.M. Shanwain eh, pero meron pa si Apoluna. Tanungin nyo sa Apoluna kung paano, wala na kasi sila nung huli.